Final year. The pressure is real. Your project topic is due. But you're stuck, confused, overwhelmed.
Now imagine starting your project with clarity, structure, and intelligent guidance from day one.
With R2P Connect, you don't just pick a topic, you refine it. You detect research gaps. You build a strong foundation.
Upload each chapter. Let AI scan your work. Get detailed recommendations. See your quality score improve instantly.
Choose your institution supervisor. Or activate an AI supervisor trained to understand academic structure and formatting.
Your supervisor reviews, gives feedback, requests revision, and approves when your work is ready.
When approved, your research gains visibility, not just in your department, but to industries and funding partners.
With R2P Connect, you don't just submit a project, you connect directly with industries and businesses.
Don't just write a project, build expertise, build visibility, build your future with R2P Connect.